Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Well, to maximize your returns from data investments, you must first measure them. 79% of organizations fail to deliver ROI from data because they struggle to quantify benefits from their data science projects. Before looking at the solution, let's understand the problem first. Most teams start planning for ROI when they are midway in their data science projects, or worse, when they are going live. Instead, they should identify the business outcomes, pick impact metrics, and start projecting their ROI even before they collect data or even think about algorithms. Don't worry, it's pretty simple. I have a webinar coming up where I'm going to be revealing the secret sauce of measuring ROI of your data science projects. It's on July 22nd at 12 p.m. New York or 9 a.m. Pacific. Sure, I look forward to seeing you there.